Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting package from Reyax Technologies that just arrived. In this video we are going to unpack it together and discover what's inside. So let's get started. Now it's a time to open this sealed packet from the top side and let us discover what's inside in this packet. Here we have another sealed packet, and now if we turn it, I think all the products are inside in it. So let's check what's inside in this. In this sealed packet we found another packets of several items. You can see here we have a lot of different products of Reyax Technologies. This is the website of Reyax Technologies. You will find this website link in my description box. If we scroll it down, there are a lot of products in different categories like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa modules. And if we see here, there is a new product known as ultra wideband. And if we scroll it down till the end, we will find worldwide distributor. It means they deliver all over the world. So if you need any IoT based product, just click on this link and get your product now. Now let us open this first packet. This is RYUW, means it is ultra wideband product. Check it out, open it from the top. The packet is totally sealed. Take this product out and we got another foam on its top. Let's open it. We got two samples of this ultra wideband in our package. Now let us take a look on this antenna. Let's open it out from the back side. The packet is totally sealed. Let's open this package and we got this. Another safing. We got this antenna in our second product. Now let us take a look on this third product. It is RYB. Let's take a look on it. All the products are totally sealed. Take it out. Open this safing. Here we have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module. Now take a look on this fourth product. It is RYS8833. It is a type of GNSS and GPS module. Let us open this module. Open this packet. All the packets are safely delivered and we got this module. Now let us look on this fifth product. It is a type of cable. Let us open this sample too. Here this is the antenna. So let's take another one. This is our last product and this is one of the most important product that is Reyax Technologies made. Let us open this product. Here we got another LoRa modules. I am already using their product on my projects. As you can see, this is my already ongoing project. You can check it out. I am using LoRa module 998, but at this time we got another LoRa modules and its model is 406. They are more compatible than the older one. You should check it out. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and don't forget to check out Reyax Technologies website.